Hey, it's been a couple of months since I reviewed Benks Infinity Pro iPad stand, and based on my stats, it seems there has been a lot of interest in this product. I'm glad to say that I got another similar kind of accessory, but this time for MacBook, and I'm pleasantly surprised. Question for you in the comment section below. Do you use MacBook accessories? I know that this is totally different story comparable to iPad, since MacBook has all that you need. Hi friends and welcome to Digitalna channel. My name is Marko and this is your dose of latest Apple news, leaked information, tech rumors and product reviews. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and don't forget to enable all notifications so you don't miss the next video. This one is powered by Benks. I've had an opportunity to test their Infinity Pro stand and to use Urban Pro keyboard case for some time. I gotta say I was pleased with these products, and just recently I got my hands on two more Benks accessories. InvisiBoost MagSafe wireless charger with hydrogel cooling and a kickstand, as well as MacBook Infinity stand. Their products are well crafted with sophisticated design. Check out the link in the description and a pinned comment. Use Digital Markings 15 code and get 15% off. Let's go! Infinity Max laptop stand arrived in a box much similar to the one that brings stand for iPad Pro. Straightforward procedure, simple unboxing experience, yet by no means giving impression that this is a cheap product, because it's not. It's almost 100 bucks, and once you take it out, you'll see why. As its iPad counterpart, it's super sleek, visually appealing, made of aluminum, and I can't say it doesn't have the weight, because it does, which is good because you want your laptop on secure stand. Once you fully unbox it, you can really appreciate its premium look and feel. The ticking wheel at the bottom that allows you to rotate the base of the stand all the way for 360 degrees. As expected, Infinity Max laptop stand equally relies on two hinges. The top one, which technically holds the stand, which you can flip downward or upward, and the one at the bottom, which lets you make full backward and forward movements, which you should be careful with if you go too far with the MacBook on. I have to admit that using your MacBook on the stand is a brilliant experience. It feels sturdy with no undesired movements, while overall my laptop really felt safe. I didn't mention that there is an adjustable piece at the lower part of the holder which assures that MacBook doesn't slip down. I think it's awesome if you want to rotate it and show something to your associates or clients, for example. If you want, rotating hinges can be a bit of pain because you may need some strength to accomplish that. That's reasonable considering that it has to survive the weight of your laptop. If there is one thing that I would improve on this accessory, would be something like a black rubber band or surface on which you'll put your device. Personal thing, my only suggestion. The best expansion of this stand would be inclusion of different ports, but this would turn it into hub. Will at one point Benks decide to go in this direction? We will see. As I said, Benks Infinity Max stand for laptop is available for $99. You can use Digital Markings 15 code and get 15% off. There is only one color, so you don't have to choose anything, just get it. Keep in mind that this is not an accessory that is MacBook only. You can use it with any PC or laptop too and enjoy it, especially if you care about the ergonomics of use and your body posture. Oddly, that's all I have to say about it. I want to give a big thumbs up to Benks. You guys are awesome, friends. Thank you so much for watching Digital Markings. I'm your host Marko. Talk to you soon. Have an excellent day. Bye.